Now what I'm going to do is polish up or sand and polish this insert or this barrel. I do 220, 400, 600, and then I do 1500, and then I do some polish. So what I'm going to do is start with the 220 grit dry for a second to knock it down a little bit, and then I'll switch to wet sanding. That everything's knocked down, I will start. I have actually here a little bucket of water, and I'll start dipping it in wet sand. And I will wet sand for the rest of the video. Everything will be wet sanded. Now what I'm looking for is when it's going to continue to take off material, but you can kind of feel a difference when it gets to that point of being smooth from this grit. You can almost hear it too. You can hear that it's not knocking down the high spots as much. So now I'm going to switch. When I switch grits, I always rinse it off a little bit. Now we'll switch to 400 grit. I'm going to switch over to 600 grit. I'm going to switch over to the 1500. If you get through the process and you stop and you find a spot that you don't like, just start over again and run right through the grits. And it'll actually go a little quicker the second time. So now that I'm through my grits there, the next thing I'm going to use is a foam pad, and I'm going to use Novus number 3. Then I'm going to follow that up with a soft wool pad using Novus number 2. And you can see it's got a nice shine. You can see this line right here. You can see the shine in it. I do have a little bit of compound on there still that's making it look scratched, but it's got a nice finish on it. I use the Beal Beal polishing system, so I will go back after and actually polish it with that too, which gives it a super glossy shine. But as far as a quick polish, that's about it. Let me pull it off here and give you a little better look. And that's really all there is to polishing this up.